guest up in your sky. I am silvery dreams of old and new, a blazing borrowed light, guiding midnight passage to its destination's end. Is my destiny, is company, the heartache traveler's friend. It's the violet blooms, the light that moves, the roots still in the dark. It's the morning burst like fireworks, new worlds in every spark. It's the distance in the things we've been and who we really are. It's the miles, stardust miles we've come. All good stories orbit over homeward, hope don't hide. You are you, no matter where you go, you might just learn to like it. Truth stands like a mountain even if nobody climbs to the view. Too few have found these clouds, but weary eyes can sleep and wake up to the violet blooms, the light that moves, the roots still in the dark. It's the morning burst like fireworks, new worlds in every spark. It's the distance in the things we've been and who we really are. It's the miles, stardust miles we've come. It's the violet blooms, the light that moves, the roots still in the dark. It's the sunset burst like fireworks, new worlds in every heart. It's the distance in the things we've been and who we really are. It's the miles, stardust miles we've come. I am ever passing through, a guest up in your sky. I am silvery dreams of old and new, a blazing borrowed light, guiding midnight passage to its destination's end. Is my destiny, is company, the heartache traveler's friend. counting up the seasons and still I'm gone.
Please remember me happily by the rose bush, laughing with bruises on my chin. A time when we counted every black car passing your house beneath the hill, and up until someone called us in the kitchen with my mountain rain. fondly. I heard from someone you're still pretty, and then they went on to say that the pearly gates had such eloquent graffiti, like we'll meet again and fuck the man. And tell my mother not to worry, and angels with their great handshakes were always done in such a hurry. But please remember me mistakenly in the window of the tallest tower, call and passers-by, much too high to see the empty road at happy hour gleam and resonate just like the gates around the holy kingdom, with words like lost and found, and don't look down. And someone save temptation, and please remember me, 'cause in the dream we had as work-born babies among the fallen trees, and fast asleep beside the lions and the ladies that called you what you like, and even might give her a gift for your behavior, a fleeting chance to see the trapeze swing as high as any mountain. But please remember me, my misery, and how it lost me all I wanted, those dogs that loved the rain and chasing trains. The colored birds are out there running in circles around the well, and where it spells on the wall behind St. Peter's, so bright and cinder gray and spray paint. Well, who the hell can see forever?